X-47B aircraft, opening a new chapter in military aviation technology. Amidst the vast and dynamic horizons of military aviation technology, the X-47B unmanned aircraft has emerged as one of the great technological marvels. Known as an unmanned combat drone, it is not just a pilotless aircraft, but also a remarkable innovation that marks an evolution in modern military operations. Deep artificial intelligence infiltrates every fiber and circuit of the X-47B aircraft. Designed to perform risky missions, it can carry out complex tasks that were previously only possible with pilot-controlled aircraft. With advanced navigational capabilities, adaptability to a wide range of environmental conditions, and the ability to execute missions automatically, the X-47B has shown tremendous potential in smart and efficient military aviation operations. One of the most striking features of the X-47B is its reliability in autonomous mission execution. Equipped with systems that allow it to respond quickly to emergency situations and make decisions within seconds, the aircraft presents a new model of how technology can change the way we understand aviation and military operations. The success achieved by the X-47B has attracted attention from around the world, raising questions about how similar technologies could be applied in the development of future unmanned aircraft. The wider use of artificial intelligence in the design and development of combat aircraft is one aspect that is widely considered, with the potential to reduce risk for pilots, improve mission efficiency, and offer a higher level of precision in military operations. However, of course, with such rapid technological advancements also come questions about the ethical and security implications associated with the use of unmanned aircraft, such as the X-47B. Discussions on the appropriate use, oversight, and limitations to the use of such technology will be integral to the acceptance and development of unmanned aircraft in the future. With all its complexity and impressive impact, the X-47B has created a tremendous buzz among aviation experts, the military, and the general public. It is not just a technological achievement, but also an exciting start to a new era in military aviation. It is certain, then, that the X-47B will continue to take center stage in discussions of aviation innovation for the foreseeable future.